I'm Christina Mendonca, and this is The Short List. Welcome to your week. Anger, sadness, and determination across the country last week as people were demanding more gun control or protesting the death of Stephon Clark. In Sacramento, those messages combined on the streets for several days leading up to Saturday's march. In the nation's capital, it was estimated 800,000 people showed up for March for Our Lives. That would make it the largest one-day protest ever in D.C. The next big disruption could be in healthcare. We're seeing a lot of rural hospitals close. 83 of them have closed since 2010, including several in California. At the same time, we're seeing Uber and Amazon try to reshape healthcare. Uber just launched Uber Health, which promises flexible ride sharing for patients, caregivers, and staff. And they say they're HIPAA compliant. Amazon joined with JP Morgan for a yet-to-be-released but highly anticipated new model for healthcare. They're promising lower healthcare costs and significant advantages for patients. Finally, the counterculture of Burning Man is going mainstream. Instead of being burned at the pyre, a lot of these works will go on display in Washington, D.C., New York, and San Francisco, and some will even head to public parks or music festivals. Burning Man is eager to help these artists make a living beyond the desert, and a lot of the artists are more than willing to adapt their works for museums, especially since most of them right now are made with highly flammable materials. And tickets are on sale right now for the next Burning Man. The price is up there, but it is for a whole week, and the thing sells out. It's just one of those bucket list things. You got to go to Burning Man at least once. All right, let's get to this week's original content. On Tuesday is my podcast, A Fresh Agenda, where we interview entrepreneurs, innovators, and thought leaders. We're going to be talking to the head of Home Exchange and Guest to Guest. His name is Emmanuel Arnault. A lot of people are making summer vacation plans right now, so this podcast will tell you how to save a lot of money on accommodations. You do that by finding a home swapping partner. And you don't have to own a vacation home or even your own home. You could be a renter.
That people who have never done home exchange always think you are insane to let people come into your home, strangers you've met on the internet. And then people who've been doing home exchange for quite some time, as myself, we're thinking, you guys are insane. You're still paying for a hotel or an Airbnb. It doesn't make any sense. You can do this for free and it's much better.
On Wednesday, another edition of my hyperlocal series, Folsom Focus. This time we're exploring where tax dollars are going in terms of school improvements. And because so many of you love the throwback interview I did with theoretical physicist Brian Greene, this Thursday I'm bringing back another scientific interview. This time we're talking to Michio Kaku. So get in touch with your inner nerd on Thursday and join me for that. You can get all that content right now on ChristinaMendonca.com. Just go to the menu item that says This Week and Latest Work. It'll also pop up on your socials throughout the week. And I highly encourage you to join me on the YouTube channel. Hit subscribe. And if you're watching this on Facebook, the link will be below. And next week, I'll be introducing a new platform which will allow us to connect on a daily basis. Thank you to those of you who've reached out with your ideas and inspiration. Thanks for being here. Let's stay connected.